Hello learners, welcome to Speak With Me. Today, we are going to learn a very important topic in English grammar, which is adverbs. Don't worry if you feel confused right now. After this video, you will understand adverbs clearly and easily. So stay with me till the end. Let's start. Now let's understand what an adverb is. An adverb is a word that describes an action. The easiest way to understand an adverb is by asking questions. An adverb answers questions like how, when, where, and how much. Now, let's ask some questions to understand adverbs clearly. We will start with how. Let's take an example. He runs fast. Now ask the question, how does he run? The answer is fast. So here, fast is the adverb because it answers the question, how. Now, let's move to when. Take this example, she came yesterday. Now ask the question, when did she come? The answer is yesterday. So here, yesterday is the adverb because it answers the question, when. Now, let's understand where. Take this example, he is sitting here. Now ask the question, where is he sitting? The answer is here. So here is the adverb because it answers the question, where. Now, let's understand how much. Take this example, she is very happy. Now ask the question, how happy is she? The answer is very. So here, very is the adverb because it tells us the degree or how much. So remember, just ask a question and you can easily find the adverb. Save this video for future reference. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.